In the Harry Potter series, Albus Dumbledore recites a line which is extremely relevant in today's times.
Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times, if one only remembers to turn on the light.
As we all know, the pandemic has hit us again. We are experiencing a second wave of the virus, and most of us are locked down in our houses. Most of us are not able to move out, are not able to mingle with people. During these difficult times, it is natural for you to feel anxious. It is natural for you to feel depressing because of all the negative and horrific news which is floating around. We really all hope and pray that we get out of this as soon as possible and things are back to normal and people recover very quickly. But during these times, it is very important to take care of our mental health. Books are one of the best ways by which you can actually divert your attention from all the negativity around. You can actually feel good for some time and lift your spirits up. So hey you beautiful people, welcome back to a new video on our channel Read Travel Become. In this video, I'm going to suggest 5 easy to read books which will make you feel good. They will make you forget about all of your problems for a brief amount of time. You will feel your spirits have been lifted up, you will feel happy, you'll get a different perspective. I've made sure that all of these 5 books are very easy to read. So even if you're not a reader, you are not in the habit of reading books, you can easily pick these books and complete them and have a feel good vibe around you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. You may never know which thought or fact may resonate with you and change the course of your life. So let's get started. The first book which I'd like to recommend you all is Anxious People by Fredrik Backman. So it's a beautiful book. It's actually the latest book written by Fredrik Backman, who's also written A Man Called Ove. So I recently read this book and I completed this book in one day because I was hooked to this book. I was literally hooked to this book. It is actually a fiction book. It is a fiction story. It is actually a hostage drama. A robber plans to rob a bank but eventually ends up in a hostage situation, and the robber ends up with 8 people in the hostage situation. All of these 8 people have a different trait of their own. All of these 8 people have anxieties of their own, and it's an extremely humorous novel. You would find the situations very funny and you would find a lot of parallel stories which would all converge in the end. In the end, after all the threads are connected, you would feel extremely elated. I love the book. It is one of the best fictions I have recently read because the book is humorous, it has got some great situations around, and it has actually given out a very hard-hitting message also, which is given in a very light-hearted way. I felt like I'm watching a Raju Hirani movie in which some complex thoughts, some complex messages, deep messages are shown in a very humorous and dramatic way. So I really love this book. I'm sure every one of you will enjoy the book. Read the book till the last page until all of the threads are connected. You're definitely bound to smile all along and have a great feeling after completing this book. The next book on the list is Uncommon Type, written by Tom Hanks. Tom Hanks is the same actor, yes. He is the one who played Forrest Gump and he is one of the best actors in the world we currently have. He has written this book. So this book is basically a collection of short stories. He has written some odd short stories, and all of these short stories have one thing in common. They are all centered around, not exactly centered around, all of these stories have a typewriter in common. The story is somewhat related to the typewriter. All the stories are set in a modern era, but they all have an old typewriter in them. All of these stories are very refreshing. They are very short stories. They don't really have a morale, they don't really have a structure, but it feels good to read all of these events which Tom Hanks has imagined. All of these stories are fictional stories and you would have a great time reading all of these short stories. Next on the list is a very popular novella, and it is the 4th most translated book of all time. The book I'm talking about is The Little Prince. You might have heard about this book. It is a very short story. It is a story about a pilot who lands in a desert. His plane is not functioning and he meets this young prince who says that he's from a different planet and he has all of these crazy ideas with him. So it's basically a poetic, enchanting fable between these two guys. They all talk, they have a journey, they both talk, they have a journey, they have a spiritual journey together. The story is very easy and it feels like you're reading a children's story, but there are a lot of underlying themes in the book. Every little sentence has a different meaning to it. If you are able to decipher it, you feel good about your life. The copy which I have has this little illustrations also of every situation which these two encounter. So you will have a great time reading this book. It is a very short read and it really helps you to escape into a different world and lift your spirits up. So yeah, The Little Prince is a great book to read. The next feel-good book which you can read is 5 People You Meet in Heaven, written by Mitch Albom, who's the same writer who has also written Tuesdays with Morrie. So just like Tuesdays with Morrie, which I have recommended before, even this book is a great read. I remember reading this book in just one go because I was really intrigued by the plot of the book and the mystical nature of the book. The book is about Eddie, who was an amusement park's maintenance personnel. He dies while saving a little girl and he goes to heaven. Now the idea which we all have of heaven is portrayed differently in this book. When Eddie goes to heaven, he finds a different heaven, and in heaven he meets 5 people who are directly or indirectly related to his life, and they all tell him about his own life. On the outskirts of it, it feels like Eddie has had a very depressing life and a very boring life, mundane life. But when he meets these 5 people, they actually tell him the significance of his life, and they tell him how all of it was worth and how his life had a purpose. So it's a beautiful book. Once you start reading 10 pages, 12 pages, you just want to complete the book because it is a great story, and it's not very long also. You can easily finish this book in one go, I'd say. So definitely check out this book. There are moments in the book which will really melt your heart and make your heart smile. So it's a great book, so do check out the book. And the last book on the list is The Blue Umbrella, written by Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond is such a writer who has this magical power of making simple things extremely beautiful. So whichever novel you read of his, be it The Room on the Roof, The Blue Umbrella, even if you read A Town Called Dehra, all of his novels have a very elegant feeling to them. It has a very light-hearted, feel-good vibe to it. Every book of Ruskin Bond's. In fact, this book is a very short book. This is a small novella. It's about a girl who finds this exquisite blue umbrella and is very proud to have this umbrella, and how this blue umbrella causes a stir among all the villagers of the village in which she is living. So I really like this book, and you should definitely check all of Ruskin Bond's work if you want to have a mental escape, a fictional escape. So Ruskin Bond is a great writer to start with if you want to develop a reading habit, because all of his books are very easy to read. They have a feel-good vibe to it, and you feel really good after completing Ruskin Bond's book, also helping you to develop a reading habit. So yeah, this is a beautiful book and you can definitely check this book out. So we come to the end of the video. I really hope you check out these recommendations. If you are someone who is not a reader and you want to develop a reading habit, these books can be a great start for your reading journey. Out of all of these 5 books, I think only Anxious People is somewhat long, but once you get the plot, once you understand the plot, and once you are hooked onto the plot, I'm sure you're definitely going to love the book. If you have read any of these books, do mention it in the comment down below. If you like my work, if you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me a lot. Thank you so much for all the support that you've given me. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.